I'm telling you all these things because you write books and they may be useful to you. I should not have lived another day if he had wounded himself fatally. I've decided that I'm going to tear this love out of my heart, rip it out by the roots. How? I'll get married to Medvedinko. Yay. Loving without hope, waiting for years for something that will never come. You don't know what I've been feeling. At least when I'm married, I'll have new troubles to blot out the old ones. Right? Anything for a change. My school teacher's not very smart, but he's a good person. And he doesn't have a lot of money, but he loves me very much. Don't look at me like that. Women drink more than you can imagine. To your good health. You're so easy to get on with. I'm sorry to see you go.